Hey guys, my name is Tyler Smith here with MarineMax Texas MasterCraft, showing you guys a brand new brokerage boat that we actually are bringing in. This is a 2021 Barletta C22CC fishing model. Take a step inside and we can look at some of the features. All right guys, as we step inside the boat, you can see we have this awesome bow seating. All of these seats are going to have storage underneath them. Going to be able to store all your life jackets and anything that you need. As we step back into the boat, you can see we have full in-floor storage as well. And then this awesome bimini top. This is actually a power bimini, so it's going to make it really easy for you guys to put it up and down. As we step back here, you can see on our helm, we're going to have all of our analog dials. This boat only has 68 hours on it. It's in pristine condition, as well as Bluetooth on the stereo, and then a Lowrance hook system. So you guys are going to be able to have your fish finder, depth finder, and everything, be able to see everything out on the water. As we step here to the back, you can see we have our bench seating, and then also our 2 seats in the back. And this is actually a fully aerated live well. So you guys are going to be able to do all that serious fishing, keep your bait fish alive, and whatever you need to do. And then finally, you can see we have rod storage, we have tackle storage, and then on the back is that Mercury 150 4-stroke. So this is going to be a super reliable boat, awesome fishing machine. Again, my name is Tyler Smith. I am here with Texas MasterCraft. Give me a call and we can get you squared away.